Sustainability is a vast topic. The ocean isn't something we often focus on in this way. Revitalization for the ocean is so much about what we are selecting from the ocean. We know where everything comes from, what sea this particular seaweed is coming from. Also, seaweed's very delicious. We get to change the demand by opening guests' eyes to something that they've never had before. It's a versatile ingredient and product, and it can be found anywhere from the beginning of our menu into our desserts, like our ice creams. We go a little hard on the seaweed for a lot of folks. It's very exciting to see and play with it and test with it and make sure that we understand the product. I'm proud to be a part of this, and I'm proud to have Relais Châteaux championing something that is so important to me as a chef.